EDSB friends, let's check out a really cool tool right on your Chromebook, Google Dictation. It allows you to use your voice to type anywhere you would type on your Chromebook. Let's give it a try. My cursor is flashing right at the top. We're going to do a web search. Click. Barracuda Pictures. Notice that it beeped once to say it was listening, and it beeped a second time to say, I'm done listening to you. Enter, and you see pictures of ugly fish. Let's go into Google Drive. Let's say we're going to make a brand new folder, perhaps for our Barracuda project. My Barracuda project. Create. Or maybe we're in Google Slides and we want to use our voice to type using Google Dictation. My Barracuda presentation. Or how about we're in Google Calendar and we want to have our calendar indicate that there's a deadline for our project on Friday. My Barracuda project is due today. There are so many ways you can use Google Dictation when you're typing. If you've already got the microphone installed, stop watching now and go play with it. If you haven't, let's install it. Follow the cursor, click down in the bottom right. If you see this little accessibility dude, I want you to click it. And where it says dictation, click so you see the check mark. If you don't see the accessibility dude, click Settings. Type DICTA. Click the link, and let's scroll down until you see yellow highlights. Click the yellow highlights. The microphone will show up. Click the X and have fun with Google Dictation.